Are you an entrepreneur looking to start your own company? Have you been recently downsized and are looking for a new direction? Or are you retired and looking for a business opportunity that allows you to work part-time? Well, how would you like to find a new profession? One that is recession-proof, where you can help people get the money they need while making a terrific income for yourself. Perhaps most importantly, operating your own business with top-level support every step of the way. And you can be up and running in the next 30 days, making money faster than you ever thought possible. Welcome to the oldest and most respected company in its field. In this classic Los Angeles office building is the answer to everything you've been looking for, the Loan Consultants. The corporate headquarters of the Loan Consultants is the place where people just like you have been inspired and trained to make a new start in their lives for over a quarter century. With a reputation unparalleled in the industry, we're ready to create the same exciting opportunity for you. The Loan Consultants will help you start your own recession-proof business, selling the one product that people will always need: money. No matter the economy, individuals and businesses are always looking for local, professional, and personal solutions to meet their financing needs. With 14 million businesses in the United States and thousands more starting every day, opportunity is everywhere. In this video, you'll learn all about this exciting opportunity. And it's important to note that everyone you'll meet works for the Loan Consultants or is an actual affiliate, donating valuable time to share their success. Inside our corporate offices, you'll see awards from lenders, charities, and community leaders, features in respected publications such as USA Today, Crain's Business Daily, and the Wall Street Journal, along with our registration with the Better Business Bureau and Dun & Bradstreet. They stand as testament that the Loan Consultants is at the top in its field, with affiliates in the U.S., Canada, and the United Kingdom, funding hundreds of millions of dollars in loans each year. In 1983, the founder of the Loan Consultants, Mr. Stephen Weeks, saw a need to provide better service to the nation's millions of borrowers. He envisioned a national network of independently owned loan brokerage companies, staffed by highly trained loan professionals, specializing in personalized service and cutting through the red tape imposed by traditional lenders. After more than a quarter century, establishing over 1,200 certified affiliate companies, this dream is a reality.
Over 26 years ago, I founded the Loan Consultants on the premise that ordinary people with an entrepreneurial spirit and the drive to follow a proven system could achieve success in the finance industry. During more than 2 decades in the banking industry, I saw firsthand the difficulties that consumers and business owners endured trying to get loans from traditional banks. I saw creditworthy borrowers decline simply because they didn't know how to properly present their loan requests. Often this was because bank loan officers are trained to represent the bank's best interest, not the borrower's. That's when I realized the true value that an independent, trained loan professional could provide. Now, Company President Dan Alanez and Vice President Paul Ornstein, pioneers in the loan broker business, have made it possible for virtually anyone to earn a substantial living while at the same time providing a much-needed service to their community.
The continued support with the Loan Consultants really has been great. You're starting up your own business, but you have a support team that's there for you anytime you need them.
Our entire economy runs on credit, and loan brokers play a critical role in helping consumers and businesses obtain financing. As a broker trained and supported by the Loan Consultants, you are a respected member of the finance community, helping borrowers achieve their dreams. The president of the Loan Consultants, Mr. Daniel Alanez, is a seasoned veteran of the finance industry with over 20 years of hands-on experience. A former bank executive and mortgage company head, Mr. Alanez has worked from frontline loan officer to executive management. He's also a former head of training and professional development for one of the nation's largest mortgage banking firms, and a widely recognized public speaker and professional trainer in the finance and real estate industries. Mr. Alanez has personally trained thousands of business loan specialists, mortgage brokers, and loan officers throughout North America and the United Kingdom. Dan is a member of the Mortgage Bankers Association and the American Society for Training and Development. His leadership skills were honed as a graduate of the Oregon Military Academy and as a decorated paratrooper of the Army's elite 82nd Airborne Division. In today's world, there is no better authority on how to achieve success in the finance industry than Mr. Dan Alanez.
In order to be successful in bull and bear markets, you must have a product that is constantly in demand. During the Loan Consultants' 26 years, our country has experienced 4 recessions and 2 real estate market downturns. Yet we've continued establishing successful affiliates. You see, our affiliates sell the one product that consumers and businesses always need: money. And unlike traditional mortgage brokers, whose incomes will fluctuate with the real estate market, affiliates of the loan consultants are taught the secret to long-term success. Even in downtimes, a wealth of opportunities are created for our affiliates. Here's why. As retail banks continue to consolidate, change their lending guidelines, consumers and businesses increasingly rely on brokers to access alternative money sources. That's how you fit in. As a broker trained and supported by the loan consultants, you will have the ability to access funds on a wholesale level and potentially save your borrowers money, often with better loan terms than they could have obtained by dealing directly with a lender.
Loan consultants affiliates tend to differ quite a bit from a lot of the other brokers who bring deals in that they're especially well prepared. A lot of broker deals come in, but a lot of them have not been well researched, well vetted. The decision to go forward and pursue the loan was not a particularly good one because the loan is not a very robust or qualified loan. But loan consultants affiliates generally tend to bring deals that are good and have merit.
The Executive Vice President of the Loan Consultants is Mr. Paul Orenstein. Mr. Orenstein is a graduate of the University of Miami and no stranger to the world of finance. His experience as a business consultant and founder of a $50 million apparel company has given him first-hand knowledge of the challenges faced by people looking for financing. For the past 18 years, Mr. Orenstein has served as Executive Vice President of the Loan Consultants and has been an integral part of the company's domestic and international expansion. Mr. Paul Orenstein.
Imagine owning your own business and earning executive-level income, regardless of economic conditions, as a business finance consultant, or as we call it, a BFC. This professional designation is awarded to affiliates of the loan consultants who have completed our training and certification process. Along with state-of-the-art training and lifetime technical assistance, our affiliates have access to over 100 funding sources, up-to-the-minute knowledge of rates and terms, and our personal interest in helping their clients get the funding they need. And because consumers and businesses always need financing, our brokers provide a service that is always in high demand. Now, you may think that to achieve success in this industry, you'll need an advanced degree or finance background, but that simply is not true. Using our proven system, the Loan Consultants has trained people from all walks of life to establish and operate their own loan brokerage business. The Loan Consultants provides you with complete training and certification. Our step-by-step instructions and live support make it possible for virtually anyone to get started quickly. Our instructors are not only seasoned finance professionals, but members of the American Society for Training and Development. This industry trade group is dedicated to the strictest standards in professional development.
The support I received from the loan consultants has been phenomenal. The two-day workshop was great, but the support that I appreciate the most is after the fact. The senior loan officers are always available to you. I call them on a daily basis or even shoot an email, and I've always gotten the support I needed, and it's been tremendous to me as a professional and into my business.
Sound exciting? Well, it gets better. Did you know that because of the low cost of operation and unlimited income potential, loan brokers are some of the most profitable businesses in America? There is no inventory to purchase, no specialty equipment required, and you can even operate your business from your home if you choose. You can work on a full or part-time basis. You set your own hours and build your business at your own pace.
We are not a franchise and never charge royalties or take a percentage of your commissions. You keep 100% of your earnings. You own the business, so there are no quotas to meet and you are not confined to any geographical area.
The Loan Consultants provides you with hundreds of funding sources and free support for as long as your company is in operation. Our senior loan officers work with you on your deals. The lenders fund them and pay you directly.
At Caltex Funding, we've been doing loans with affiliates of the Loan Consultants for over 10 years. The Loan Consultants has prepared their affiliates so well that they submit clean files that get closed rapidly. At any given time, we may be working on 50 of their files for over $7 million worth of volume. Just last year, we paid affiliates of the loan consultants $360,000 in commissions.
By now, you might be wondering what our incentive is to do this for our affiliates. Because our affiliates fund hundreds of millions of dollars in loans every year, we negotiate agreements with our lenders based on the volume of transactions that our affiliates fund. These fees are paid directly to us and do not affect the rates or terms you will offer. That's why we have a vested interest in making certain our affiliates are properly trained and receive free lifetime support. As a BFC, we affiliate you with the wholesale desk of our funding sources who pay you directly. The loan consultants never get involved in the payment loop. Our lender network is comprised of over 100 specialty lenders, including mortgage bankers, pension funds, and other investors. These sources actively fund a wide variety of transactions, including startups and those with credit issues. This enables our brokers to pursue deals that many others can't. We provide exclusive technology that is only available to our brokers. Our support site, created by our IT professionals, gives you the ultimate edge against the competition. You can access our searchable lender database, review additional audio and video lessons, download forms, including our exclusive email application, join our online blog, and review our training and operations manual. We also provide you your own custom-designed website and the assistance of our IT team to help you leverage the power of the internet. We even give you all this information on our custom-designed flash drive.
Every time someone buys or refinances a home, sells a commercial property, or operates a business, they need financing. Lenders know they can't possibly reach everyone who wants to borrow money, so it makes sense for them to outsource this task to one of our trained professionals.
Podium Financial is a direct lender in the commercial equipment industry, been affiliated with the loan consultants for over 15 years. Our experience with the loan consultants has been very good over the years. Most affiliates come out of their classes with a very professional training, and when we see a transaction from the loan consultants, it's always a pleasure to work with them because we know that the packages are complete and there is nothing being hidden.
As a business finance consultant, you'll be knowledgeable in and have direct access to funding sources for virtually any type of commercial and business loan. This provides you the opportunity to develop several sources of income from each customer.
Here's how the Loan Consultant's innovative and exciting program works. Step 1. We train you. You don't need a background in finance because the Loan Consultant's Accelerated Learning Program teaches you all of the latest techniques to operate your own loan brokerage company. Our unique 60-day fast-track system assures that you'll be up and operating in short order. Step 2. We support you for the life of your company. Most business opportunity firms will give you no more than 6 months of support, if that. But at the Loan Consultants, we'll be there for you as long as your business is in operation, at no additional cost. Call 4 hours after finishing your training or 4 years later. Assistance from a seasoned professional is never more than a phone call or email away. Step 3. We help you find borrowers. The Loan Consultants has proven methods of attracting borrowers, assuring you a solid customer base. You may be thinking that finding borrowers will be the hardest part of your new business, but with the help of the Loan Consultants' 100-point marketing plan, it will be the easiest. Step 4. Simple forms. Anyone who's been involved in a loan transaction with a bank knows the mountains of paperwork which must be filled out. Well, at the Loan Consultants, we have simplified the entire process to keep you from wasting time. Your client fills out an application, which you can review with a member of our support team. We'll guide you to the proper funding source. The lender reviews and approves the loan for you, and that's it. The paperwork is someone else's task. Step 5. Our lenders fund the loan and pay you directly, and your commission is guaranteed in writing.
Retail banks offer a limited number of financial products, but our affiliates work with hundreds of lenders that can handle virtually any type of financing request, including non-credit sensitive products like factoring and purchase order financing. So how do you make money as a BFC? Let's take a look at a couple of typical, if small, examples of the type of financing our affiliates can arrange. Let's say you have a client who wants a general business loan in the amount of $100,000. For this type of loan, our brokers could earn anywhere from 2% or $2,000 to 5% or $5,000. Based on a sample 3.5% commission, our BFC could earn a $3,500 fee on this transaction. That's just the beginning. Our brokers also offer equipment leases from $10,000 to $10 million or more. Let's use a small example with a lease in the amount of $73,000. Our brokers can earn anywhere from 3% or $2,190 to 15% or $10,950. Let's use the lower end of the commission range and say our broker charged 5%. This would equal a commission of $3,650 for this rather small transaction. Accounts receivable factoring? Say your client has monthly accounts receivables of $100,000. You match that client with a lender who advances cash to the business for operating expenses. The lender's fee for this service can range from 5% to 15% of the accounts receivable value. Using an example of 9%, that's a lender fee of $9,000. Our BFCs can earn anywhere from 5 to 50% of the lender's fee on an ongoing basis. Once again, using a conservative 20% example, our BFC could earn $1,800 per month, every month that the client and the lender continue the arrangement. The potential 10-year residual income would be $216,000 from just this one account. With only those 3 deals, one in each category, our BFCs have the potential to make $8,950 a month, or over $100,000 for the year. And again, these examples are based upon conservative numbers. Your commissions could be more or less than these examples, depending on what you decide to charge. You can also fund apartment loans, raw land deals, lines of credit, church loans, hard money loans, construction loans, and SBA loans.
Remember this, everyone needs money. So as an affiliate of the Loan Consultants, finding clients is easy. If your dream is to own your own successful business for you and your family, the Loan Consultants can turn it into reality.
My most recent transaction is a $7.5 million hotel transaction, and I'm making over $100,000.
Our status and longevity in the industry, along with our reputation with customers and lenders, are irrefutable proof that the Loan Consultants can help you achieve your goals.
As an affiliate of the Loan Consultants, I've had an amazing experience with this company. I first came here only experienced in residential financing. Once I took the courses and had some of the support lent to me by Loan Consultants, I found myself actually diving into business financing, corporate financing, and raising money for small and large companies. The one great thing about Loan Consultants that set them apart from all of the other businesses that I had actually discovered and researched is that Loan Consultants supports you, not just for the first week or the first month. I've been with Loan Consultants for almost 2 years now, and I still call to get support.
Now that you know about us, let's talk about what we're looking for in a BFC. Honesty and integrity, high standards of ethics, a desire to help people, a willingness to follow our system, and finally, the ability to make decisions.
It has taken us years of research and experience to develop funding agreements directly with major real estate and business lenders. Our program will give you the knowledge and information to immediately get started in this lucrative business, without the years of training and money investment necessary in most other professions. We are currently expanding our network of affiliates, but our program is not for everyone. We're looking for quality men and women with good standing in their communities. Each of you will be individually evaluated. If you think you may qualify, then I invite you to contact one of our representatives who will answer any questions you may have about this business opportunity and if it's right for you. The need to borrow money for both personal and business purposes has never been greater. We are truly a credit nation, and now is your opportunity to become part of our successful loan broker network. If you're considering starting your own business, I would encourage you to ask yourself a couple of questions. Does the company I am considering have a history of success in its field? Will it provide me with training and unlimited technical support for the life of my business? Will I offer a product that will be in high demand regardless of market conditions? And finally, will I keep 100% of the money I earn without paying royalties, franchise fees, or a percentage of my commission? There's only one company that answers yes to all these questions: the Loan Consultants.
My decision to become an affiliate with the Loan Consultants was a pretty big decision. It's a fair amount of money that you're going to be investing in. However, what you're getting in return as far as the senior loan officer support, their knowledge of the different industries, their vast database of different lenders and banks, really made it a great decision.
I'm very happy with my decision to become an affiliate. My growth has been tremendous. The support I receive on a daily basis has been a big part of that. I have paid my investment back very quickly, and I see huge growth potential for myself and my business.
One of the things I'm sorry about is I hadn't hooked up with the loan consultants over 25 years ago. They've given me tremendous support, and the avenues that I have that I can fund deals with now are much greater than when I was out there by myself.
There are some deals that I come across that I've never seen before, and the information is new to me. It is so reassuring to be able to simply get on the phone, call loan consultants, and ask them any question that I may have. They take the time to explain it to me in detail. They even send me forms, and the website support is amazing.
If you'd like more information on how you too can join the Loan Consultants International Loan Broker Network, simply fill out the prospective broker profile that came with this video and fax it to our offices at area code 323-954-1051. You can also go to our website and complete the form online at www.viewbfc.com. Once we receive the form, our representatives will be in touch with you to provide our complete due diligence package, including contact information for actual Loan Consultants affiliates who've experienced our training and support firsthand.